Hi everyone, this is Carol from Owl's Nest Quilters introducing you to our latest Colorado Quilting Celebrations Box. This is the third of 4 that we will be doing in 2022. And this one is introducing you to Eye of the Beholder. Eye of the Beholder is specializes in these reverse applique designs that are one piece. Actually, there's 2 pieces of fabric, the background, and then what you cut out to do the reverse applique, the topping, and that's it. They're just wonderful designs. You can either do it in reverse applique or you can do it in traditional applique. It all depends on what you cut. And this is a small, let's see, it is 26 by 26, so it's definitely a very manageable project that you can do. If you're not familiar with reverse applique, we've also included Margaret, who's the owner and founder of the company, her book, that's the Reverse Applique Revealed, and so she explains all about how to do reverse applique. So you will get that in your box. You'll also just get a little bit about Margaret and her company and some of the things that she does. And then we give you actually all of the fabric that you will need, including the binding and the backing and the batting. Although the batting's not in the box, we will give you a separate bag with the batting in it as well. And it's just an absolutely gorgeous batiks that you will be using for your reverse applique with a beautiful brown binding. And so it's just perfect for this season of fall and Thanksgiving, and it's something that can definitely be done between now and your holiday table. So get yours today.
Owl's Nest